Tree of Knowledge is a statistics software for social scientists. Like other statistics tools, this online platform allows you to upload, analyze, and model data sets. But it is also unlike any other statistics tool. It introduces a radically new approach to statistics, which allows researchers to create the world's first accurate fundamental theory of humans and other social actors. Not only are this new approach and the resulting fundamental theories extremely powerful, they also solve statistics' biggest problems. But what are these big problems and how are they solved? Let's consider the social sciences. At the core of the social sciences lies the human mind. We study the mind through statistical analyses. Each study or meta-analysis, however, only studies one very specific aspect of human behaviour or cognition. This brings us to the first big problem of statistics. Instead of producing a single cohesive theory, statistics gives us a collection of isolated and disconnected models. These disjoint models and insights cannot be combined, making it impossible to make accurate predictions for real-world situations where many effects are going on at the same time. The second big problem is the untrustworthiness of these insights and models. The replication crisis showed the majority of them to not withstand scrutiny and to not be true after all. This untrustworthiness is less surprising if you consider that most of these studies claim to find a universally valid phenomenon while only ever having tested it once in a single context or setting. Lastly, consider the breadth and depth of human behaviour. Social sciences are still only at the very early stages of understanding all this complexity. It is fair to say that with our current level of understanding, only less than 10% of human behaviour can be accurately modelled. Now, the problem doesn't actually lie with our current level of understanding, but with the fact that with current statistics, our understanding will forever remain under 10%. Current statistics does not allow for our understanding of the human mind to grow beyond 10%, because statistics requires there to be a high signal-to-noise ratio. Which is to say, statistics requires effects to be so strong that they overpower all the other effects that are happening at the same time. It is very rare for an effect to be so overpoweringly strong, and unfortunately, most of these low-hanging fruit with crazy strong effects have already been studied. These aren't small problems. They are absolutely devastating. With them, social sciences are doomed to remain unable to make predictions for real-world scenarios. Doomed to stay unreliable and untrustworthy. And forever be limited to understanding only a small fraction of human behaviour and social systems. This is where Tree of Knowledge comes in. This online platform introduces a completely new approach to statistics, which solves all of these problems. With Tree of Knowledge's new approach to statistics, we can make accurate predictions for any scenario, including the most complex real-world systems. It provides insights which are orders of magnitude more rigorously proven and trustworthy. And most importantly, it allows our understanding of the human mind and social systems to continue growing endlessly. How this works and how these extraordinary feats are possible is explained in the following videos. This first video explains how the new approach to statistics works and demonstrates its ability to make accurate predictions of absolutely any social system, no matter how complex. This video reveals how Tree of Knowledge is able to gain insights that are orders of magnitude more reliable and trustworthy than traditional methods. This next video shows how Tree of Knowledge can pass and learn from extremely noisy datasets where there are many different phenomena occurring simultaneously. And finally, this last video explains the most important advantage of this new approach. its ability to keep improving our understanding of humans and social systems to levels that wouldn't be possible otherwise. Overall, this new approach to statistics allows the social sciences to move beyond disjoint and unreliable ad hoc investigations towards creating a powerful, cohesive fundamental theory. With this fundamental theory, we can accurately model and simulate any social systems. This power to accurately model and predict complex social systems raises the social sciences to the status of hard science and paves the way for entirely new fields, such as public policy engineering, social system design, and economic scenario modeling. For more information about this, please visit www.treeofknowledge.ai.